In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download web series in Amazon Prime Video. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need the Prime Video app installed on your device. This is important because you can't download series from the Prime Video website in a browser. Downloads are supported in the Prime Video app for Windows, macOS, iPhone, iPad, Android, and Fire tablets. So make sure you have the app ready on your device of choice. Now, open the Prime Video app. This is your gateway to accessing all your favorite shows offline. Next up, you'll need to sign in with your Amazon account. Make sure that this account has an active Prime Video subscription. This step is crucial as the download feature is only available to subscribers. Once signed in, you're all set to explore what's available. From there, use the search function to find the TV series or web series you want to download. Type in the name of the series in the search bar, and you should see it pop up in the results. It's a straightforward way to quickly locate your desired content. Once you have found the series, open its page by clicking or tapping on it. This page will show you all the available episodes, as well as some additional information about the show. At this point, you have a couple of options. If you want to download an entire season, look for the Download Season button. Clicking or tapping this will queue up all episodes in that season for download, provided this option is available. This is a great time saver if you're planning on watching multiple episodes back to back. Alternatively, if you're only interested in downloading a specific episode, look for the download icon next to that episode. Tap or click on it, and the download will begin. This approach gives you the flexibility to choose exactly what you want to watch offline. If prompted, you'll have the opportunity to choose the video quality. The options are best, better, or good. Choosing a higher quality will consume more storage space but provide a better viewing experience. This is important because it affects both your storage and viewing quality. Now, wait for the download to finish. This might take some time depending on your internet speed and the video quality you selected. Once your download is complete, head over to the Download section in the Prime Video app. This is where you'll find all your downloaded content. From here, you can watch the episodes offline whenever you want. This is perfect for long flights, road trips, or any time you're away from a reliable internet connection. Before we wrap up, there are a few things to keep in mind. Not every TV series is available for download due to licensing restrictions. So, if you can't find the download option, it might be due to these restrictions. Additionally, some downloaded titles expire after a certain period or after you begin watching them. This is something to be aware of to avoid missing out on your downloaded content. For those using Android and Windows, you have the option to choose where your downloaded content is stored. Whether it's in your internal storage or on an SD card, this flexibility is helpful for managing your device's storage efficiently. And that's it. You've learned how to download web series from Amazon Prime Video for offline viewing. Enjoy your shows. See you next time.